Now let's create the main page of our application. So first I'll click here and click on add a new page, and I will name this page as main page and create, and it will create a new page for us here. Okay, once this new page is created, we also need another header. Okay, so I'll click here. Now you need to create another new reusable element. Now I already created, so I'll click on this main page header. This is simple header. I just written a text about contact and services. Okay, now first thing what I'll do is I'll go to my header new and copy this logout button with workflow. Okay, and paste this in the main page header. I'll put this thing here. Okay, other than that, we have to create a form where user can submit their properties. So first I will go to my main page and then I will click here, and first I will drag my main page header here. If you see there, our main page is not that wide, so I will increase it width to 1080 and I will increase it height to 700. Okay, now you can see it fits here. Now what thing we need a form where a user can submit their property. So first I will write a text here and tell the user that click here in order to submit your property. Okay, I'll write click here to submit your property. Okay, and other than that I will remove its style and increase its font size to 50 and font to Arial and make this stuff bold. Okay, now the 50 is too big, so I will change it to 35. Okay, and other than that I will also add this hyphen sign here and change the color to 192 E5B. Okay, after that I will add a button here. Whenever a user click on this button, a pop-up appear where a user can submit their property. So I'll click on button and create a button here. Okay, and I will name this button submit property and remove its style. First I'll just write submit because it's too large text, or even I can also increase the width of my button. No, that's fine. First I'll change the text color to 1D65F6. Okay, and background color to 192 E5B. Okay, and other than that I'll make this stuff bold, and that's it. Okay, now what else we need a pop-up, so I will bring a pop-up here. I'll click on this pop-up and draw a pop-up here. Okay, now here first I'll change the color of my pop-up. I'll remove its style and change its color to 192 E5B. Okay, and that's it here. Now here in pop-up we need the name of the user, his contact number, his city, then the type of property and the image of property. So first I'll click here and create a group here. Okay, where we can bond all this stuff together, and I'll arrange this stuff here center horizontal and center vertically. Now we will bring our input. Okay, the first input is for name. Okay, I'll select text here and I'll take a copy of this input for city and change its content format to address. And I will also take another copy for type of property and this one is also text and other one for contact. And I'll change its content format to integer. Other than that, we need a picture uploader, so we'll bring this picture uploader here. I'll put it here. Okay, I'll make this stuff this long. And the last thing, we need a button, so I'll click on button and bring a button here. Okay, and I'll change the text of button to submit and I will remove its style, and first I will increase it size and also the font and color of text 192E5B and background of this button I'll change it to 1D65A6. Okay, now let's add a workflow to this button. I'll click on start edit workflow. Okay, now first I'll click here and I'll click on data and create a new thing here. Now what type of new thing is we want to create? We want to create seller, and first we'll create a new set of another field. I'll click on click and name, and name is equal to input name, its value. I'll click on set another field and this time I'll click on city, and city is equal to input city, its value. And next one is type, type is equal to input type, its value. Next one is contact, contact is equal to input contacts, its value. And the last one is image. Okay, and image is equal to picture uploader A, its value. Okay, other than that, what else we need? We also need to add a workflow to this button. So what we want happen whenever we click on this button? We want whenever I click on this button, we want to show this pop-up. Okay, and I will leave everything as it is. Other than that, what else we need? If I just go to my header new, and I will delete this logout button from here, and now I will click on pop-up login, and here in login I'll select login button and start an edit workflow here. Now once the user is logged into the page, I want to go to the page, to main page. Okay, navigate the user to the main page. I will do the same thing with sign up. Okay, sign up button. You can see once the user is signed up, I want that the user navigate to the main page. Now that's it, we don't need to do anything else. Okay, now let's preview our application. If I just click on preview, First I'll click on sign up and enter my email address ak11test@gmail.com. okay, and password is test, confirm password is test, and I'll click on sign up. You'll see that we have been navigated to our main page, and if you see here in the data, user, app data, all user, you see that a new user has been logged into our database. Okay, now here in our main page, if I just click on submit property, here I will put my name, I'll put my city, and I will also put the type of property. I will name it I'll put house, and the last one is contact number. Now this is just a random contact number, and I'll also upload an image here. Now just click on submit. Okay, so if I just go to the data and go to all sellers, and you'll see that city New York, USA, contact, image, name Anwar Khan, and type house. And if I just click here, you can see everything in detail. Okay,